Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, where I teach cleaning business owners how to win contracts and grow their business and think like a CEO. Now, avoid this mess. How starting your accounting early can save you thousands in cleanup costs later. Now, let's talk about accounting. Something too many business owners wait on. Now, when you start your business, you think, let me make money first, then I'll worry about accounting later. But here's the truth. When you hire an accountant in year one, it's affordable. When you wait until year 2 or 3 with no books, you're paying for years of cleanup. Now, that's double or triple the cost. Now, accountants charge more when they have to reconstruct your business finances from scratch. They have to track down receipts, invoices, missing expenses, and then reconcile everything. And if you're trying to apply for funding or land large contracts without clean books, you're setting yourself up to lose out on opportunities. So, too many business owners skip accounting in the beginning. And I'm going to tell you, don't do that, because when you hear all the noise in the street, people telling you, oh, accounting's so expensive and all that, because when you don't know, you don't know. And let me tell you, at the beginning, you don't have no books. So you don't have nothing to clean up. All you're doing is getting stuff in order from the beginning. So please, start getting a bookkeeper or accountant immediately after you get your first contract, because you need to know your numbers from the beginning. Don't wait till you're making 6 figures and you don't know what's going on with your money. And I'm telling you guys this from my experience. So I'm telling you, don't listen to the noise out there. Get you an accountant while you have limited books and you don't have to do no cleanup, because it will double, triple the cost later. So if you guys want to grow a business with me the right way, comment accountant in the comments, and I'll send you what you can use to start accounting software. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you on the next video.